When it comes to activate your software, it can be done by two ways. I'm going to show both of them. The first one is that you can receive an email from us that says EMS Entitlement Certificate. So you can open the email, and in this email you will see that it will first of all congratulate you, and then you will see that your customer name will be there, and then the product key. So this is what we need. So you're going to select it, and as you can see, it depends on your browser. You can copy it or you can Control C. Below that, it explains to you, now follow the steps given below to activate and manage your entitlement. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the link, and Caddie will take us to another Sentinel page. This is where you're going to paste your Control V or right click paste, and you're going to say login. Caddie will take you to the next page, and as you can see on the left hand side, it will display your features. In this case it's a Caddie 26 Professional, and it also displays your license type as well as the expiration date. So now we're going to do the online activation. So I'm going to click on the online activation. As you can see, Caddie picks up that there was a previous license on my PC. That's fine. So I'm just going to say activate. And as you can see at the top, activation installed successfully for key, etc. So now it means that my key is added, and now it will be as a professional. Option number 2 will be that if you're in your Caddie itself, if I go and open my Caddie, it can be that one of the support guys maybe sent you the activation key. So then we go to help, and we go down to license info. In this dialog, on the right hand side top, you will see that there's an update activation tab, and then you'll see there's one that's called activate new license. So you left click on the activate new license. Caddie will confirm that it will make use of your web browser. I'm going to say OK, and it takes you to exactly the same link that we've just used. And as you can see over here, I can Control V, paste my activation key, and I can say login again. So both the ways will work 100%.